Hey everyone, this is Denver over at Nash Powersports. So one of the big qualms about owning anything out here in Arizona is that dust collects on everything really easy. And sometimes it can be a pain in the butt to just be cleaning everything all the time, so it takes a while. Well, I like to show you two products that I like to use here to detail cars for photos and for videos. As you can see here in this time lapse, it only took me about 15 minutes to clean this entire car and get it ready for some photos. As you can see, the dash in this X3 Mud Runner is filthy dirty. The first product that I like to use is Original Spray Cleaner and Polish. This stuff is safe to use on plastics and is really easy to use. A little bit does go a long way, and as you'll see here, it changes the look of this car almost immediately. The Original Polish is $7.50 and is available at all of our Nash Powersports locations. That's way better. The next product that I like to use is this SC1. There's a reason why they call it new bike in a can, as you'll see here in a second. A little bit also goes a long way with this, and it puts a beautiful shine that lasts for a while. I actually used this in my car about a month and a half ago, and the dash is still perfect. So there you have it, guys. Two very inexpensive and easy to use cleaning products for your X3, motorcycle, car, whatever you want. As you can see, it completely changed the look of this X3 Mud Runner. Thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, these are available at all of our locations, so come in and pick up a couple bottles for yourself.